Puna Bayar. I hope you all are enjoying my stories. So today let's start our story. The story name is The Bird's Revenge. A long time ago, there lived a strong but cruel elephant in the forest. One day, as he was roaming through the forest, he saw a branch loaded with juicy fruits. Without bothering about the little nest on the branch, he pulled at the branch. The branch broke and fell down, and along with the little nest it came crashing to the ground. He trampled the little baby birds and moved ahead. The mother bird was very sad. She decided to take revenge and hatched a plan along with her two friends, the woodpecker and the bee. The bee began buzzing softly in the elephant's ears, and he soon dozed off. The woodpecker pecked hard at the sleeping elephant's eyes. Blood began flowing from his eyes. Blinded by pecking, he ran, and since he could not see where he was going, he fell off the cliff to his death. The bird got her revenge, and the animals of the forest thanked the three friends for getting rid of the evil elephant. Moral of the story is, do not hurt the weak. They too can cause you harm.